Hey there! Welcome everybody for another science lesson. It's Miss K back at it again. As we always do, we're going to start off our lesson by reading our wow statement winner from the previous lesson. Remember, your wow statement is how you finish every lesson in your virtual science notebooks, okay, on PowerPoint. Message me if you don't know how to get to it. We'll just stay on a Zoom together and I will put it on your desktop for you, okay? So you have easy access. We're going to read our winner from Tuesday that I have here on the board, our third statement. Remember, on Tuesday, our lesson was talking about daily weather data and seasonal weather data. And the lesson was investigating local weather. So, of course, we did this with our weather in Salamanca. My student behind me who won this week, she decided to do a wow statement on the daily weather data, and she did a great job explaining it. So let's read it. Daily weather data includes information about each hour of the day. Great job, Riley! You're a wow statement winner for this week. Great job. You're absolutely right. And we're actually going to continue talking about this for this lesson. It's going to be an easy lesson. It's going to be fun. I just want you guys to do it and enjoy learning about weather. So great job, Riley. And let's continue looking at our weather for today. All right, so let's look at the daily weather data for Salamanca for today. So I'm noticing some things, and what I'm doing right now in my head is I'm comparing this to Tuesday's. Today's Thursday, and I'm comparing this to Tuesday's weather, which was the previous lesson that you all did for me. I also want to know, in that video, I asked you guys to download this weather app feature, and you guys do not have it on your laptops, is what we ended up finding. So I asked the technology department to please put this weather app on your devices. However, you don't need it, and that's why I'm showing my screen with it on today. So let's look at today's. I am seeing a different symbol. So this is today. And I want to write down what I saw on Tuesday as the biggest difference. So if you don't remember Tuesday, just look up here, refer to this. Tuesday was a very crisp and clear day. You could see everything. There was nothing in the way. Roads were very clear. What I'm noticing today, also our symbol on Tuesday was a sunshine. Something I'm noticing today is that our symbol is a sun and a cloud. It's partly sunny, which means it's also partly cloudy. Okay, on Tuesday it was totally just sunny. And I'm noticing something else. This also shows us a nice picture, if you can kind of see this picture in the background. And I'm also noticing the visibility today is 6.1. That is a lot lower than 9.9. So I'm going to insert a question for you right now. Alright guys, you should have this completed from lesson 1 and lesson 2. However, some of you don't, and this is kind of different and new, so I want to just show you guys again. Once you get to your digital science notebook, it is a PowerPoint, okay? It should look like this. Your one assignment was to find this, write your name on it, and decorate it in stickers. If you want help with any of that, you can just message me. The most important part of that lesson was to put your virtual science notebook as a bookmark on your screen so that you can easily just click into it whenever you need it. If you ever want to stay on a Zoom and I can do that for you in probably 2 minutes, then you have it done if you don't already. However, when you are doing and completing your science notebook, it's going to look like this. You're going to log into it, okay? Make sure your name is on there. This is just my reminder. If you accidentally delete a slide or something, you have to press this key here. It's the undo button, okay? Because everything saves automatically. So if you delete something, it saves automatically. So you just have to press this button right here. All right, let's move on to slide 3. These are your directions. It's the same thing for every lesson. After each science lesson, you'll come here and type the lesson vocab and write your wow statement. Okay, this is how you save this video. If you press slideshow, view show, and you can have your PowerPoint be the full screen, this is how you can tell and learn how to make this notebook on your home screen, just like I do. All right, now we're going to get into the lessons. It says Lesson 1 Vocab and Wow Statement. I'm going to pull up Lesson 1 Vocab and Wow Statement, or you're making the wow statement, and what you guys are going to do is fill it in. So there's 3 vocabulary words for Lesson 1 and Lesson 2. You write down the vocabulary words. Feel free to pause this video and write it just like I did. And now I'm going to show you the definitions, okay? So again, you can now pause this video and then you can copy the vocabulary words from here into your science notebooks. So pause the video, make sure you have these vocab words in your science notebooks. All right, I'm moving on. Now, you have to make up your wow statement by yourself, okay? So after you watch lesson 1, I'll say, now you write your wow statement. And you're going to write it here, okay? Let's go to lesson 2. Lesson 2 was 2 days ago on Tuesday. Again, there's 3 vocab words. You're going to write it just like this. Weather, meteorologist, precipitation, wow statement. Some of you, for example, I saw Riley did this. I say in my video that you can do your wow statement in the Play Pause It. So her wow statement here will be blank because she did in the Play Pause It. That's okay. Your wow statement has to be here or in your Play Pause It. Now I'm going to show you the vocabulary for lesson 2. All right, so you're copying these vocabulary words from here to your science vocab lesson 2. So pause the video now and make sure that you are copying these vocabulary words into your notebooks. Pause the video because I'm about to move on. There's one part of our lesson left, friends, and it's really fun, so I think you're going to like it. Almost done, guys.